In this video I'm going to show you how to make playlists on TikTok. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and get in your profile. Here you need to check if your account is business account. You may simply check that, just tap on that three lines icon, and here if you see business suite at the second place, your account is business account. If you don't get one, go back, tap on that three lines icon, tap settings and privacy. Here select manage account. And here you will see switch to business account. I got switched to personal account because my account is business account already. So then go back to profile, and here I got this option, sort videos into playlists. You will get that option if your account is business and if you got decent amount of following, followers and likes. So your account must be active, and then you will be able to sort your videos into playlist. I'll just select that option and start creating. First enter a playlist name, it will be test in that case, and then tap next. And now I can add some videos into my playlist. I will select that 6 video and then just tap done. So now here I can see my playlist, the name of playlist and all the lists of playlists video. I can go back to my profile and here I see my playlist. If I want to add one more, I just tap on that plus icon and make the same things again.